See, now I'm gonna make us in here. Now, as you can see, I am providing here a project that supposed to be about the cleanliness of this garden and how should it be restored. Chaco, uh, for this for this tissue here, it looks like a mess, and it's not really a tissue, it's just a paper. So every piece of this we should throw it in the garbage. Get? So the least that we can do is that we should throw every garbage that we see in this garbage. And as you can see, ice creams are so delinquent here. So I'm gonna throw this away. And there, that's how I contribute myself to the world of cleanliness. Thank you for your listening.